Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on GARMIN Bounce 2. First you have to press the top button or the start button on your watch, then scroll down the app menu to settings. In settings scroll down to the system settings, and in system go to Diagnostics, then select reset, and in reset menu you have to select delete data and reset settings, and then tap OK, and this will, as you can see, clear all your data including activities and music. And once you press OK, this operation will begin. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.